Good morning, everyone. In this video, we will discuss a government company. What a government company is. A government company is established under the Indian Companies Act of 1956, or we can say now Indian Companies Act 2013 is in place there, is registered and governed by the provisions of the Companies Act. According to the Indian Companies Act 2013, a government company means any company in which not less than 51% of the paid up capital is held by the central government or by the state government, or partly by central or partly by one or more state government. In simple words, we can say a government company is a company where minimum share, that is 51% holding, lies with the government. The shares of the company are purchased in the name of the President of India. Since the government is the major shareholder and exercises control over the management of the companies, they are known as government companies. Examples: Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Steel Authority of India Limited. These are the two examples. What are the features of the government company? They are: 1. It is an organization created by the Indian Companies Act. Here I have mentioned 1956, but now we are having Indian Companies Act 2013. Second, the company can file a suit in court of law against any third party and be sued. Being a company, the government company also file a case if there is any issue, or it may be sued in the court of law. Third, the company can enter into the contract and can acquire property in its name. Since a company is given a status of a person, an artificial person we call a company is, so it can execute all the things which are under its authority. Fourth, the management of the company is regulated by the provisions of the Companies Act like any other public limited company. These government companies also control with the provision of the Companies Act. 5. The employees of the company are appointed according to their own rules and regulations as contained in the memorandum and articles of association. 6. The companies are exempted from the accounting and audit rules and procedures. An auditor is appointed by the government and the annual report is to be presented in the parliament. Since the ownership of such companies lies with the government, so the company is accountable to the government and all the reports are to be presented in the parliament. Merits of the government company. First, a government company can be established by fulfilling the requirement of the Indian Companies Act. A separate act is in the parliament is not required, as in the case of statutory corporation. We need not to pass a special act. 2. It has a separate legal entity apart from the government. The company has its own identity. In case of government company also, like the public limited enjoys. 3. It enjoys autonomy in all management decisions and takes actions according to business prudence. These government companies are free from all types of interference from the government and are free to take decisions according to their need of hour. 4. These companies, by providing goods and services at a reasonable price, are able to control the market and to curb unhealthy business practices. In the market, they provide goods and services in competitive price, so they helps the masses to get the goods at reasonable rate. What are the limitations of the government company? Since the government is the only shareholder in the some of the companies, the provisions of the Companies Act does not have much relevance. Second, it evades constitutional responsibility which a company financed by the government should have. It is not answerable directly to the parliament. 3. The government, being the sole shareholder, The management and administration rest in the hands of the government. The main purpose of the government company registered like other company is defeated. These are the limitations. Thank you.